Residents of Kalina in Mumbai are seeking demolition of the transit camp, which is built on the area allocated to a local school. A legal notice has been sent to the Maharashtra Housing and Urban Development Authority, or the MHADA. In fact, Richa gets us more details on this. I'm currently standing in the Kalina area of Santa Cruz in Mumbai, where a group of residents and local activists here have raised their voice against the MHADA for a transit camp that had come up in the year 2005 on a playground that was allotted to the local school and the local people here to play on. But now, after many years, still the transit camp is still standing tall on this playground and the ground area that was allotted to not just the school but also as an open space for playing for the other activities as well. So let's talk to a few residents and activists here and who will tell us exactly what the issue is and how long the legal notice that they have sent to MHADA, if they have received any response yet on it or not.
This transit camp was built in 2005 to accommodate the housing board residents when their 8 buildings went for redevelopment. The chief officer of Bombay board at that time, Mr. Madhukar Patil, granted the lease period. But we don't have the record that whether he is authorized to provide the lease period, since he is a Bombay board chairman. Any leasing or giving out the MHADA plot other than the resort purpose, the standing committee resolution is required from the BMC. They cannot change the deep development plan of their own.
We had been contacting them continuously, all the Voice of Kalina members, and look, they are just deaf ear. Once they promised, last April 2nd week, they are demolishing in in some 19th or 20th of April. Nobody came, and when we contacted them, they say we don't have the police protection.
Only 3 of the families are currently residing, the rest of them are tenants. So who are actually authorizing them to stay as tenants here?
That is builders, different builders, because they have to accommodate these people from there where they are vacated. So they are utilizing this because nobody is bothered here. And MHADA should have kept a stock who is staying and all the things that they are not keeping.
This building, where transit camp, doesn't have all the facilities from BMC, like water connection. They are using illegal water connection. They don't have the facility of drainage. Yeah, all the I think your camera can focus later on the filth that is lying behind the building. It is accumulated and is a big health hazard to these small children here.
So as we heard from the local activists and residents here in the Kalina area, they are still waiting for the action and the demolition of this transit camp to happen here on the space and the open space that was allotted as a playground for not just the local school here in Kalina but also the local residents here. So moving forward, we will see if the MHADA, the authorities and the citizens here will act on this issue, or moving forward this transit camp will still reside in this area and create problems of the open space grounds that is already a big issue in the city of Mumbai. This is Richa Sharma for Mirror Now Mumbai.